Allow them to help you with a simple task they can accomplish. They can hold the cups while you pour the milk, or assemble their own yogurt parfait. The following are good breakfast ideas you and the young children can enjoy. Get children ready for bed. There should be a space of at least an hour or two after dinner before you get the kids ready for bed. Don't do anything too strenuous to get them excited before bed. You can mold with Play-Doh or watch a kid-friendly movie. Cut off all screen time an hour before bed by giving a gentle warning. First and foremost, communication is key. Make sure to spend quality time with your child, talking to them and listening to their thoughts and feelings. This will help you build a strong bond and give them a sense of security. When it comes to feeding your child, it's important to provide them with a balanced diet. Offer a variety of fruits, vegetables, cereals, and proteins to ensure they get all the nutrients they need. Remember to breastfeed or bottle feed exclusively for the first 6 months, as this can help strengthen the bond between you and your child. Sleep is crucial for children's growth and development. Ensure they get a good night's sleep every night, and establish a bedtime routine to help them relax. You can also consider using sleep aids, such as swaddles or white noise machines, if needed. Personal hygiene is essential, especially for young children. Help them develop a healthy routine by bathing them regularly, teaching them about personal hygiene, and brushing their teeth at a young age. Safety is another critical concern. Make sure to keep your child in a safe environment, both at home and outside. Supervise them near water sources, and educate them on how to behave in case they come into contact with someone who might be sick. Read the children a bedtime story or sing songs before they sleep. Have each child pick out one book that you can read to them, or one song each you can sing to avoid fighting and disagreement. Then, once you're finished with that, you can tuck them in and tell them good night before turning off any lights and leaving the room. You can crack the door if you want to be able to hear them talking or moving around. Some children may want a night light in their room if they have a fear of the dark. Finally, encourage your child's creativity and imagination by providing them with age-appropriate toys, games, and activities. This will help them develop crucial social, emotional, and cognitive skills. In conclusion, taking care of young children is a demanding but rewarding task. By communicating effectively, providing a balanced diet, prioritizing sleep, promoting personal hygiene, and fostering creativity, you can help your child grow into a healthy and happy individual.